Hello sisters and brothers, let's get into the review of Polaris. And this is a dashboard of Polaris software, and this has so many features and options. You can see as this dashboard is already seems to be so much filled, and let me show you one by one each option, and let me clear you firstly that what is Polaris. Okay, so basically Polaris is a squeeze page or landing page or opt-in page, whatever you want you can say, and also thank you page making or building software. Okay, you can do it easily with this software as e-marketing is booming these days. Okay, that is why you need to be so fast, even and you must be so fast, and you have to do your researches, and you have to choose the right product with very good, very fastly, and also the good product also. Okay, so that is why they have done it so much easy, and they have done it within just your fingertip. Okay, so this is the owner of this product. You can see this is Rashwin, and this is I don't know who is this is not the owner. Jono Armstrong is one of the owners, and also Jishan Ahmed is also an owner. Okay, so there are some numeric statistics. Okay, you can see this is the review version. Maybe there are some options are missing on the purchased version, maybe there are more options. Okay, so once this is the dashboard, once I have clicked on any, this is the categories. Okay, and this is your previously made campaigns. Okay, once I have clicked, let me choose affiliate marketing. Okay, once I have clicked on it, you can see there are so many already done for you funnel pages. Okay, you can preview it easily. You can just see they have already built super converting funnel page for you. You can see it. You can see this logo. This is looking literally professional, and they have giving also free access as to convert your customer to get the only email ID, because email ID is the main asset, as everybody know. Okay, so you can edit it easily. You can preview the thank you page also. You can create a funnel from yourself. Okay, using this tool, giving any campaign name, and I have to, you can change the image, and you can they have just you can easily do it from outside anywhere, but it will take literally 10 to 12 hours, or maybe a day, maybe 2 days, maybe 1 week. Okay, and you have to be testing. You have to go through a progress. You have to go through a process. Okay, but on this software, using this software, what you can do that you can easily build it, and you can easily use it not wasting your time, and you can do it easily. Okay, so these are the options. You can see you can select, as I have not integrated any autoresponder, they will not giving me any list, and I will be also not redirected to the thank you page. Okay, but I can do it. You know that I can do it once I have integrated my autoresponder. You can see the preview pane also here. Okay, so these are the Polaris funnels. Okay, these are done for you funnels. There are 15 funnels. They are given. They have already given to you. This has so many niches: video marketing, top ClickBank product. As ClickBank product is totally newbie friendly and totally for newcomers. Okay, that is why they have targeted the ClickBank. They have also targeted JVZoo and Warrior Plus platform. Okay, so this is self-improvement, and this is health, and this is general marketing, fitness, weight loss, email marketing, and dating and relationship, and ClickBank high ticket product also. Okay, so let me click on Polaris product. So these are the products. They have made also a separate section for these products. Okay, they have given this already on the dashboard, and they have made already a separate section for this product also. You can easily customize your previously done campaign, any campaign. Okay, you can change the thank you page. You can change let me show you. Okay, it will be better. Okay, so you can edit it, as I have already shown you this stuff. Okay, so you can manage your subscriber from here. Okay, once the people want to get the free stuffs, and they will put their email IDs. You can easily build a list with them. Okay, so these are the training videos. Once you got inside on this video, on this software, you should go through this section firstly. Okay, after that you can go through this. I think you should go firstly with this section. You should go through these tutorials, and after that you should check these options. Okay, so as I am not building any funnel page, cause my autoresponder is not integrated with it, that is why I am unable to do it. I am showing you partially review cause I am unable to show that. Okay, that is why I am able to show you only 75% of the software. Okay, or if I can show you that stuffs also, it will be full 100%. Okay, but I can't show that because my autoresponder integration is because I have no autoresponder builded. Okay, I have not built any autoresponder. Okay, so this was a software review, and let me now go through the bonuses. Okay, so the bonuses value is $6,397 bonuses. I have collected it from so many days. I am truly speaking, I am working this from so many days, so many months, and I have collected it from so many days. My principle is very simple. If someone is giving more than me, you should go through them, go through them and purchase through them. But if they are not, you should buy from me, and you should believe me for one time. Okay, so this is a meme created by me, and I always want people to choose their product with a big smile, and that's why I always try to create meme. You can see the Fiverr is charging $120, $30, and they are human, and they will be made, and that stuffs will be made by human, but this is program made, and you have already seen the example of what kind of pages they are giving you. Polaris is giving you. Okay, Polaris is only $17 from the front end. Okay, so you can save huge money and also time. I think time is most valuable than money. Okay, so 15 done for you. So let me go to the bonuses. These are the ratings. You can see on the overall section it has got 9.8, and I never consider market hits on the overall section. Okay, so this is the value for money and ease of use. Okay, this is literally good, extremely good. Okay, so I want you to you can also check the demo videos. Okay, from here I want you to visit this page and check it from yourself. Okay, I don't want to explain each of the word and make the video lengthy. Okay, so these are the sales panel. You can also check this. Okay, let me go through the bonuses. So these are the bonuses I am giving you today once you have purchased it from my side. Okay, so these are excellent bonuses I have just put here, and so many bonuses I can't put here because let me show you. Okay, so there are 50 bonuses I have put here. Okay, so I am scrolling down. You can see there are so many bonuses, and I have explained some of them, and some of them I have not explained. I have just put the images. Okay, so after 50 bonuses, you can see there are 220 plus bonuses. I have just put them as mega bonuses because I was so tired, and human has literally short span these days. Okay, that is why no one want to read so stuffs and so much bonuses about blah 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 about every bonuses. Okay, that is why I just decided to do it as this type. My English is not so good, my vocabulary is not good because my mother tongue is not English but I always try to do it better. Okay, so I have put 220 plus bonuses as mega bonuses, and on this 220 plus bonuses there are so many softwares. Most of them are softwares and totally really valuable softwares. Okay, good softwares which with reseller rights, white label rights. Okay, most of them are, and most of them you can purchase them at presently, but you can get free from my side once you have purchased the front end product, which is only $17 of Polaris from my side. Okay, So some WordPress plugin are also there, and some SEO stuff, or maybe PDFs also are there. Okay, so this was the review. We can, once you have purchased the main product, you can click this blue button to get the affiliate bonuses. Okay, so this was the review. Okay, you can check, clicking this bonus you can get the main product, main software of Polaris, and also the bonuses. And this page link is given on this video description. One, the top link, the bottom link, the middle link, whatever you can click, and you can easily be redirected to this page. And this was a review. Okay, there are some frequently asked questions. Okay, so this was the review. I am signing out for the day, so bye bye.